In today's video, I'm going to share how you can make over $4,000 in a single day. And as always, I'll be sharing my results of this with you. So for this method and everything we're going to be covering today, you do not need any experience. Anybody can do this. It can be done and run from absolutely anywhere in the world. You don't need special skills, and you definitely do not need a lot of money to get started with what we're going to be covering today. Now please make sure you watch this video till the end, because by the end of this video, not only will you know how this works, I'll show you how to set this up, I'll give you all of the tools you need, and I'll also share with you how I actually set some of these campaigns up myself, and basically I'll walk you through the entire process from start to finish, because people who try to make money with what I'm going to share with you in today's video, they fail because they don't go ahead and include some of the really simple steps with what I'm going to be sharing with you today. And I promise you, they really are simple steps. They take a few minutes to set these up, and if you do set these up correctly, it's the difference between earning, say, $40 in a day and a hell of a lot more. So let's jump into today's video. If you're excited for it, please give the video a like and drop some comments down below for me. I'd really appreciate that. But let's just jump into it and I'll walk you through this entire process of exactly how you can earn over $4,000 in a single day. But before all of that, if you like simple ways to make money online and work from home, then subscribe to the channel and hit notifications, and then you'll always know when I've uploaded a new video. And if you want some free resources to make money online and from home, go in the description box down below and you will see you can get my free affiliate marketing course, you can get my free YouTube course, and many more. And for my #1 method to make money online, where you can earn anywhere from $100 daily up to $1,000, check out this link here. Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School, and welcome to today's video. So as I've mentioned, we're going to look at this method to get started with making money online. And first, let me go ahead and share some proof with you that that what I'm going to teach you in this video, I am doing this myself, so this isn't fluff or hype. And bizarrely, on the last video I did, someone said those aren't your results, you just copied a screenshot. So let me just go ahead and let's show you this for the naysayers. So this is Amazon. Sorry, let me come wait. Which one is it? It's this one over here. So this is a platform called Pay Kickstart. You can see this up here is my ugly mug. This is today's date, the 27th of November. Scroll down here, you can see it is the 27th of November. So far today, I've managed to earn $3,914. So one-time commission. So this is a one-time payment. And then I've got $14 down here. If I quickly refresh this page, you can see $3,914. And you might be saying, well, this video says how to earn $4,000 in a day. So look, as I've mentioned, this here is over on one platform. This is over on Pay Kickstart. So if I jump over here into my emails, and again, I'll refresh this for you so you can see this is indeed inside of my Hotmail account on here. So you see on here, look, most of the income you can see over here is from this emails over here where it says you made a commission of $300. So we've got all of these here, but then I've also got this up here, this Noble Samurai. So you can see on here, congratulations, you just made a sale. I earn half of that, so $14.50 from that. I've then got another one there, sorry. We've got these $300 here. We've got more sales here, something from Amazon, some commissions were just processed. And look, I'm not going to keep going through this, but you can see, I don't even know what that one is. Let me just see what this one is. So this is more commission. So I earned $35 here, so taking my balance up to $1,600. So if I go back over here, so you can see this is indeed inside of my email account. So everything I'm going to be sharing with you in today's video is true. I'm doing this in my online business. And if you'd have said to me, a couple of years ago that you can earn this amount of money in a single day, I wouldn't have believed you. Do you believe me watching this video that you could earn this amount of money in a single day? Well, you absolutely can do. And that's what I'm going to share with you in this video. And I'll walk you through the process, but I'm not just going to give you some hype and fluff and say, go and find a product and start sharing your link all over Facebook and, join Facebook groups and build relationships and all this sort of nonsense. That does work, by the way, but it's too much of a long-winded process for me. So I'm going to show you how to set this up. I'll walk you through the steps that is needed to generate this amount of money. and we'll just go through the whole process, and I'll try and slow this down a little bit, because sometimes I appreciate I might jump from one thing to another. So how have I managed to earn this money? Well, I've done this with something called affiliate marketing. And if you want an article or a resource for this, come over to my blog, click on Make Money, go to affiliate marketing, and I've got this article here. And it's basically how lots of ordinary people are making thousands sharing products. I am definitely an ordinary person, and I am earning ridiculous money sharing products. So I'll drop a link to this article below for you. It is a bit of a long article, but as like most things, I like to, give you everything on here, so you can see it goes through and it covers lots of different stuff in here. We've got resources on here, videos, different methods to market this, and lots more. So how does it work with affiliate marketing? Well, the easiest explanation of this is you find a product or a service that you like, you then share that, and then if somebody purchases that product or that service, you earn an affiliate commission. And you can earn affiliate commissions on platforms, in fact I showed this earlier, like Amazon over here. So you see this is over in one of my Amazon accounts. You see in the last 7 days, Amazon have paid me $47.51. So in the grand scheme of things, compared to the earnings that I've earned today over on this platform, Amazon doesn't come anywhere near. But for this, I've not done anything. I've created some content before, it's up and running, on Google, Yahoo, wherever, and people are going over onto the blog, they're clicking on articles, and you can see exactly how much I'm earning per day on here. So clicks, so basically what it says, clicks, that means people who have clicked on my links, and then ordered items is when someone has purchased an item. So you can become an affiliate for Amazon, and you can find products on Amazon and share those. You can go onto platforms like this one here, this Pay Kickstart. You can go on platforms like Commission Junction, Warrior Plus, JV. There's hundreds of these. You just simply go on Google and type in affiliate network. Now, one many people like to get started with is what's it called? It's called ClickBank. So this is an affiliate network. On here, you can go ahead and you can find a product that you want to promote. Basically, it's absolutely free to get started with. Another platform you can use is let me think of another one. Is Share a Sale. Say trusted affiliate marketing network. But there's hundreds of these different affiliate networks that you can go ahead and partner with. Say you've got Commission Junction, Affiliate Window, JVZoo, ClickBank, and many, many more. So the first one is you're going to go ahead and find a product which you want to market, basically. So in this example here, we'll just go with this here. This here is, these commissions have come from a piece of software, and it's called Azahar Trader. Now let me just go ahead and show you this. So I'm going to click on I'm going to go on here and show you this, and I'm going to show you everything around how I've been able to achieve this income today. So if I come on here, this is on my blog obviously, and look, blogging is one way that you can do this. You don't have to go with blogging. There's many different ways that you can do this. So if I come down here, this one here. So we'll start at the beginning of the process. So the process is we find a product that we want to promote. Now personally for me, I like to trial and test things before I share them and recommend them to you if you're watching this channel or if you're reading over on the blog. So the first what item was, we need a product to promote. So my product that I've been promoting is this software here, and it's called Azahar Trader 6.0. Now it pays some very good commissions, as you can see over here. For every sale, I earn $300. But I've gone ahead and I've trialed it and tested this myself before I am basically before I'm making money, because I wouldn't want to recommend something which is a load of nonsense or a load of crap and it doesn't work just to earn money, because that's not ethically correct. So over on my blog here, first of all, I purchased this myself. I went ahead and I literally tested this. You can see on here, I tested this for 4 weeks. And on my blog here, I shared the results of this every single day. Look, day 1, day 2, etc., etc. So once you've found a product which you want to promote, the next part is you create content. Now, you do not have to do this in the form of a blog. I do a blog and obviously I do YouTube videos, but there are a number of different ways that you do this. You could go over onto Quora and you could find people asking questions about the products that you're promoting or the category. You could go on, say, Facebook, you can go onto Twitter. There's just so many different ways where you can create content and drive traffic. So you could even do like Instagram marketing. That's another way that you can do this. So we find a product that we want to promote, we then create content for that. So this is all pretty straightforward, simple stuff. So this one here, as I've mentioned, I've created the content for it in the form of this blog article. Now down here, you can see, I click on here, so check out the software here. So if someone reads this article, what happens here is that they click on here, they want to check it out because they've gone through it, it sounds unbelievable, it's a great piece of software by the way. I click on here and then they go over here. Now this here is known as an email capture page. So instead of me literally having someone on here and this is about forex trading and automated trading and basically how you can make money online doing nothing, it sounds absolutely awesome, doesn't it? So they read this article and think, this sounds for me, yeah, I want to, make money doing nothing. They click on here. Instead of me sending them directly over to the sales page and, they have a look at this, but then what happens is, they might get distracted, they might get a phone call, absolutely anything could happen. They could click off that and, never go back to it. What's happened here is I've put something in between of that called an email capture page. And basically, it's really simple. I've got a call to action, well, not a call to action. I've got a compelling title up here, and then I've got this here, sign up now. So they put in their name and the email, and they click on yes, sign me up. And below here, look, you can see this is me. This is me sharing my results, so a bit of social proof to, get them to give me their email. So what happens here is they click on yes, sign me up now. They put in their name and their email. Then it goes over to the sales page. So now if I was to, disappear or close out this by mistake and completely forget about this, I have got a back-end system which is now going to kick in for me. But this is the sales page. Someone comes over here, they click on get started today, they go ahead and purchase this, I earn an affiliate commission. And as you've seen, it's doing pretty good. In fact, let's refresh this, see if we've had any more so far. No, still no more. Okay. So if we come over here, this is the sales page, and obviously this is where somebody purchases the products. So this is the system that I have set up for this piece of software here. Now I do have other blogs like this one here, this Not Taught at School one, but in a completely different niche. And instead of someone clicking on here where it says check out the software, where I'm sending them over to Amazon, for example, I'm not capturing emails because I'm not bothered about capturing emails and following up with people on Amazon because there's so many people who are reading my content around niche blogs and niche websites. It just makes my email list insane, and the commissions on here are very low. Whereas this product over here, it works, it's very good. The commissions are very good, so it would be within my interest to not only follow up with them but also share content around this product as well. So if I go back over here to the blog article, we've found a product to promote, we've created content, we then go ahead and create what is known as an email capture page, which you saw, which is basically where I'm getting someone's email. Now let me show you what happens once they give me their email. If I go over here into my email autoresponder, they go into something called an email list. So you can see here, this is the Azahar Trading email list. And look, I have numerous different email lists. You can see these are some of the different ones I've got in this account over here. So what happens is, after they give me their email, they then get this welcome email back from me automatically. So I've set this all up previously, and every time someone puts their email in, this all runs on autopilot for me. So they give me their email, then they get this one back. So you can see there's currently 42 people are going to be getting this email within the next day. Then we have a day of a break. Then the following day, I send them an email. I share more results of my own using the software. I then give them a break. The following day, I then send them some screenshots of other people within the Facebook group who have made money using the software. Then a break. Then I share my results again. Then a break. Then in this one, I share some more results of mine, and I'm directing them back over to this blog article over here, so they can go through it again if if they've forgotten about it, if there was a part that they missed about this. I'm just basically sending them back over to here. Or on some of these emails here, I'm actually sending them directly over to the sales page here. So pretty simple stuff, but you see this here, it just runs on autopilot because I've done the work once, and it all works. It literally just works for me all of the time. So that is essentially how I've gone ahead and been able to earn this amount of money over here in a single day. I found a product to market and promote. Once I'd found the product, I created content. In this example here, I created content in the form of a blog article, and I also create YouTube videos as well. Then what I do is, inside of my videos or my blog articles, I'll send them over to an email capture page, which again, let me see if I can just show you again. I'll show you this really quickly. Come down here, I send them over to a capture page here. I get their name and email from them here. Once they put this in and they click on sign me up, it then sends them over to the sales page. They can go through this, have a look at this. Some people will buy, straight off the bat, but lots of people don't. And this is the reason behind setting up this system. So their email comes in, they then go into here, and then we're literally following up with these emails, and it all happens automatically. Now, I have other places where I share content. So I have a Facebook group whereby I send people from my Facebook group over to my blog article, and they just go through this system as well. But look, this is just one example of how you can make money with affiliate marketing. If you want to learn how to do all of this and more steps, go over to my blog, go to this affiliate marketing, come and have a read of this article here. There's no email to put in or anything like that. You can literally come ahead and have a look at this. I share with you a number of different ways and methods that you can do this, and I include niche blogs on here for you. We include, what else have we got? YouTube content. We've got, I believe, TikTok affiliate marketing with Instagram. There is, what else is there? Pinterest, and there's lots more in here. And one final resource that I've got for you is if you go up here where it says courses, click on courses, scroll down, and you can get this here. Look, the Not Taught at School Affiliate Academy. This is a free course. Now, I still charge for this on a couple of different platforms, but over on my blog, simply click on courses, come down, click on check out Not Taught at School Affiliate Marketing. Guess what here? You're going to go over to this page here. You'll see this. Click on give me the free course, and then on here, you just give me your name and your email, and then this here is basically where you'll get email access to the course, and it's absolutely free. But that is the basics of how you can make money with affiliate marketing. We set up a system which is whereby we capture somebody's email. We have an autoresponder which is already set up so it runs completely on autopilot for us. And if you do this correctly, essentially it can become a passive income because you've done the work once. And look at this, since I've been recording this video here, you see, Noble Samurai, you made a sale. So whilst I've been recording this video here, another sale has come in for this product here, so I've just earned another $14.50, and I wasn't even doing anything for Noble Samurai. This is something that just keeps coming in all of the time for me. So look, that's today's video. I hope you found it useful. If you've got any comments or questions, leave them down below. But thanks for watching, have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.